The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is on the way, bringing a sleek new design with a slimmer profile, larger displays, improved performance, upgraded cameras, and a lighter build. The foldable smartphone market is more competitive than ever in 2025, with strong contenders from Chinese brands like Oppo, Vivo, Huawei, and Honor. As the industry shifts toward more compact foldables, Samsung is making a bold move with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, a slimmer and more advanced design. According to early reports, Samsung has optimized this model to be its slimmest foldable yet. Despite the weight reduction, the cover screen is expected to be larger and wider than that of the Z Fold 6. Additionally, display advancements and a redesigned hinge for a flatter closure are anticipated. Upgraded hardware and performance. The Z Fold 7 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring top-tier performance. Rumors also suggest a major camera upgrade, possibly featuring a 200MP main sensor. This would be a significant leap in mobile photography, delivering sharper and more detailed images. Redesigned S Pen for a better stylus experience. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra's S Pen is rumored to be losing some features this year, a recent leak suggests Samsung is working on a redesigned S Pen specifically for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This new stylus is expected to be slightly thicker, raising the question of whether Samsung is enhancing ergonomics or adding new hardware features. Unlike the Galaxy S Ultra series, which has a built-in S Pen slot, the Z Fold lineup requires users to purchase the stylus separately and store it in a compatible case. This allows Samsung to increase the size and functionality of the S Pen without affecting the phone's internal engineering. While it's unclear if this new version will introduce major functionality upgrades, fans hope Samsung retains Bluetooth connectivity and air actions for remote control features. Software and UI upgrades. Samsung has already started software development for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, as the first firmware build has been spotted on Samsung servers. Reports suggest the US variant, Model SM F966U, will ship with One UI 7 based on Android 15. Interestingly, Samsung might skip the release of One UI 7.1.1 for its foldables and instead integrate One UI 7 directly to avoid delays. Next-gen display with ultra-thin glass 2.0. One of the biggest challenges for foldables has always been the crease, but Samsung may have finally cracked the code with ultra-thin glass 2.0. Reports indicate this next-gen display technology will be thinner, stronger, and significantly reduce crease visibility. A new layering technique could improve durability while minimizing the crease by up to 60%, resulting in a smoother folding experience and enhanced touch sensitivity. Additionally, Samsung is reportedly using a new hybrid glass material that offers 3 times better scratch resistance and improved pressure tolerance. This means less worry about micro-scratches from fingernails or dust. The outer display is also rumored to feature Gorilla Glass armor, similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, for extra protection. A game-changer for S Pen users. With enhanced pressure sensitivity, the Z Fold 7's upgraded glass structure could make using the S Pen feel more natural and responsive than ever before. New hinge for a flatter, more compact fold. Another exciting leak suggests a redesigned hinge that allows for a flatter, gapless fold. This would make the phone slimmer and more compact than previous models. Combined with ultra-thin glass 2.0, improved durability, and enhanced S Pen functionality, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be Samsung's most futuristic foldable yet. Bigger displays and durability enhancements. Leaks hint at larger displays, with an 8-inch main foldable screen and a 6.5-inch cover display, offering more screen real estate for multitasking and media consumption. Samsung may also optimize dust and water resistance, though it's unclear if this will result in a higher IP rating. For photography enthusiasts, the Z Fold 7 is expected to introduce a new main camera, ending Samsung's 3-year use of the same 50MP sensor. Launch date and pricing. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in July 2025 during its annual Galaxy Unpacked event. Pricing rumors suggest the device will start at $1,899.99 in the US, maintaining the same price as its predecessor. What's next? A trifold Galaxy device. Excitingly, Samsung is also working on a trifold device, potentially named the Galaxy G Fold. This innovative design aims to offer users a tablet-like experience in a pocketable form factor. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting foldable smartphones yet. If recent leaks are accurate, Samsung is making major improvements in design, durability, and functionality. One of the biggest challenges for foldables, device thickness, may finally be addressed, although this could mean some compromises in the S Pen experience. Samsung is also working on improving display technology, reducing the crease, and enhancing the outer glass protection. If all these upgrades hold true,